Hello friends, in this video we will study the concept of reverse charge mechanism under GST Act. Reverse charge means liability to pay tax is on recipient of goods or services instead of supplier. The provisions relating to reverse charge are given in subsection 3 and subsection 4 of section 9 of the GST Act. The subsection 3 states that the government, on recommendation of the Council, by notification, specify category of supply of goods or services on which tax will be paid on reverse charge basis by recipient of goods or services, and all the provisions of this Act shall apply as if he is a person liable to pay tax in relation to such supply of goods or services. Let us study the subsection 3 in detail. First, it shall be recommended by the GST Council. In the meeting held on 19th of May 2017, the GST Council has approved 18 services on which tax will be payable on reverse charge basis. Secondly, the government shall issue notification specifying category of goods or services on which tax will be payable on reverse charge basis. Thus, it is evident that issuance of notification is mandatory. Thirdly, the recipient will be considered as a person who is liable to pay tax under this Act, which means the recipient steps into the shoes of the person making the supply, and thus he has to obtain registration, pay tax, file return, and comply with such other provision as if he is a person making the supply under this Act. The person who is liable to pay tax on reverse charge basis has to compulsorily obtain registration even if his aggregate turnover does not exceed Rs 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs as the case may be. Fourth, reverse charge is also applicable in case of supply of goods. However, there is no such provision in current tax regime. In addition to subsection 3, the subsection 4 states that where a supply is made of taxable goods or services from a supplier who is not registered under this Act, then in such case, tax has to be paid on reverse charge basis by the recipient of goods or services. Now, we will study the manner of making payment in case of reverse charge. As per section 49, the amount of credit available in electronic credit ledger can be utilized to pay output tax payable under this Act. However, the definition of output tax given under this Act specifically excludes the amount of tax payable on reverse charge basis, which means the amount of tax in case of reverse charge has to be paid in cash, and the same will be allowed as credit to the recipient. Thus, in this video, we have studied the provisions relating to reverse charge in GST Act. Thank you.